Hello friends, this is Soumyaranjan Nayak and I welcome you to my channel The Manga Researcher. Dear friends, today we'll be discussing on three very important aspects. One, now that GATE is over, what should you do next? The next we'll be discussing regarding the various scopes that the GATE scorecard provides you. The third is we'll be looking into the precautions that one should take when he or she takes admission into a interdisciplinary specialization. So this video is going to be very much interesting and informative. I hope you stay till the very end. If you look into the Facebook pages which deals with MTech and PhD admissions, one of the very common things that you will see in today's date is that students go to some rank predictor website and over there they see their expected rank and score, and most of the students are not happy with it, with the score that they are getting, and they are tense. They come back to these pages and they write their concern, and this very particular video I have made to address them. Dear friends, this is not the time to leave your books. Nahi, this is not the time. You have interviews for various options like MS, MTech, PhD and various other things coming up in the next 2 months. Keep on revising the things that you have prepared for GATE. Okay, and apart from the notes that you have prepared in your coaching institute or during your study for preparation of GATE, I would say that pick up the fields that you want to do a research on. Suppose someone is interested in semiconductors, suppose someone is interested in steel. Go to internet and find out about the market of semiconductor or steel in today's date. How big the market is, who are the major players, how the policies of different countries of our country is affecting the major players and their business as a whole. This will give you an idea that which field is how big and how good it is for you to get into that field. And also apart from it, in an interview, when someone asks you regarding why do you want to join a particular field, if you add these stats, this will give them a very good impression that it's not that you have limited your knowledge to the books or the coaching class material, but also you have gone beyond the books and you have some additional information from the market also. So this is the thing that you should do in today's date rather than feeling depressed or feeling sad. And for those people who have just appeared for your GATE and are waiting for your results, this is a very excellent time to brush up your mathematics, statistics and programming. Do these three things in this time period which you are getting from now till your admission or now till your results are out. Don't waste your time. One thing I would like to discuss is the scope of the GATE scorecard. It is very much important that you should understand. Apart from PSUs, use a GATE scorecard give you opportunity in MTech courses, MS, direct PhD, project staff positions and foreign universities. Got my point? But today I'll be discussing about the project staff positions and little bit about the foreign university opportunities. That they feel that the college in which they have pursued their MTech is not good enough and they want to pursue a second MTech. There is another better option for you. Join any lab in any IIT or NIT where you feel that research is going at a good rate or a good pace. Join there with your existing GATE scorecard. Okay, apply there. There are various positions coming out in all IITs. You can visit their website and you can find there are various project staff positions available. I agree that because of COVID-19 the number of advertisements have reduced, but they are present. Let me tell you, they are present. You should go to the college website, seek for a project staff position. Who can seek a project staff position? Two type of people should definitely look into it. First person who wants to build up a profile for a foreign PhD or Indian PhD. Okay, you can go to the lab, learn new things, learn new machines, do research, write the manuscript, submit it, strengthen your profile and take an admission in foreign university or Indian institute. And the second type of person who wants to get financially independent and wants to prepare for something. So what you can do is that you can join this project staff position, work for 8-9 hours a day, go to your room, prepare for 4 to 5 hours for the exam that you want to prepare, and whenever you succeed in getting a position or a job that you want to join, you can leave this position. So this is also pretty much possible. Regarding foreign universities, I would suggest that there are various institutes like NUS, like NTU, like RWTH Aiken, who take people into their program through GATE scorecard. In case you have funds, do apply over there. They provide excellent opportunities. And those people who are finding difficult to take admission over here, you may try for that. There is nothing to feel bad about. I know many students who couldn't qualify over here, but they went abroad and they are doing excellent in their life. So that is also a very good option. And one very important information that I would like to give you regarding internships. Over here in the right hand side, you can see a I button. Over there I have explained the internship program in IIT Bombay. It can such happen that, but you should take it with precaution. It can such happen that you join some XYZ college, okay, and over there you find a faculty who has got some rapport or some good relationship with the faculty in NIT or IIT. You can complete your coursework in the college that you have taken admission in. But again, you can seek the permission of the faculty in your college and come to IIT or NIT and go and do your experiments over there. There is no such compulsion that you have to do your project in your college itself. If college has flexibility, you can also try for this. It doesn't necessarily mean that you will take admission in any Tom, Dick, Harry college and think of getting an internship in the second year in IIT or NIT. Take this advice with some precautions, but yes, this is very much possible. And I'll cite you one such example in the section next I'm talking about. I had two juniors in my lab who had taken admission in some state government college in Maharashtra through the GATE scorecard. And they found out that their professor has got a very good rapport with the professor over here in IIT Bombay. So through professor, they reached professor over here. And this professor over here agreed to provide them internship. That means they did their coursework in their college, but the entire research work, that is the project work in the second year of MTech, they did it over here. After completion, they stayed in the institute as project staff for 2 years. They were paid something around 30 to 35,000 per month. Both of them built upon their profile. They wrote papers, they worked on machines, they developed contacts. And at the end of 2 to 3 years of their project staff position, one intern cracked his PhD in Paris and one in Montreal in Canada. And both have joined very good institutes. This is only possible if you have a planning and if you are patient enough. This is possible. You can get into very good universities if you want, but you need to be patient and you need to plan right throughout the path. The third thing that we'll be discussing about is regarding the interdisciplinary specializations. They are a craze in today's date. All colleges, all universities are providing them. But when you go into an interdisciplinary specialization, like suppose that you are from civil engineering and you go into aerospace structures. Suppose that you are from automobile engineering, production engineering, mechanical engineering, and you get a seat in metallurgical engineering. Then what are those things that you should keep in your mind before taking admission into it? They provide excellent opportunity, let me tell you from the very start. Okay, but you need to talk to seniors in that department, you need to talk to faculties in that department before you take admission into it. Or after you take, or immediately after taking admission, because there are various basic foundation subjects that you are not aware of. Like suppose you are in mechanical engineering, you take admission in polymer science and engineering. You don't know much about polymer sciences. So you need to talk to seniors and faculties in that department and first get to know that what are the prerequisite things that you need to know before joining the department. Work upon that. Okay, because it may such happen that you join there and 6 or 7 months down the line you feel that you are not able to understand many of the things. I have seen in my department that people from electronics and electrical department, they are taking admission into metallurgical engineering and material sciences. And when they are taught subject like physical metallurgy, and they are completely blank, they cannot understand. They feel so stressed because on one hand they don't have time to prepare for the basics, and here advanced level courses are taught to them. So taking interdisciplinary specialization is good, but again you should keep in your mind that there are certain things that you need to prepare, you need to be ready with before you join the department. Or immediately after joining department, couple of months, take your time and do some courses on NPTEL or any other courses available online. But complete the basics, the foundation, so that you don't suffer in the future because of lack of knowledge, because your specialization or your branch in BTech was different. With this, I sign off. Thank you. Take care.